We'll now examine this 2-volume set here from the 19th century about Christopher Columbus. It's in these period leather bindings. Set is in French, nice marbled end papers like so. And we see it's the middle of the 19th century, 1856, and it is his life and his voyages. There's this beautiful engraved frontis here, and it's signed Nargeau is the engraver, and like so. Yes, very clean internally, like this. Here we just have right there is another engraving of his ships, the ships of Columbus, the galleons there, it looks like, or tall-mast sailing ships of this 15th century era as he heads out across the Atlantic and stumbles onto land like this. Right, and here's this folding map, and it looks like it has original hand color that corresponds to the different voyages that he made. So, okay, that's the first volume. Second volume here has a little bit of damage at the head of the spine there, a chip and a little bit of a break, but it's still solid. And the book itself, like the other one, is sound, clean, and tight, especially internally. And here we have this chromolithographed frontispiece that coats of arms for Castile and Leon, and I guess that's maybe his family arms. I'm not entirely sure, but you get the idea that it's related to Columbus and his discoveries and his family name and where he was sailing from, etc. And so at the rear, there is this index here, and this is the list of the first subscribers that subscribed to the book when it was announced. So there's a subscribers list at the rear, and this 2-volume set is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.